The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is an impressive offering in the ever-growing market of electric bicycles. With its 700W peak power motor, 7-speed transmission, and a step-through frame, it captures a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and accessibility that appeals to a wide range of riders. For anyone considering an electric bike, the MOONCOOL deserves serious consideration. Right out of the box, the bike exhibits a sturdy design. The frame is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only contributes to its durability but also keeps the weight manageable for a bike of its capabilities. Weighing around 55 pounds, it strikes a balance between being robust enough for off-road trails yet light enough for easy handling in urban environments. The step-through design is a noticeable highlight. It allows riders to mount and dismount effortlessly. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with mobility issues or for anyone clad in less-than-cyclist-friendly attire. The bike's 700W motor is a game-changer. Offering a peak power output that enables the bike to reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour, it's excellent for both daily commuting and recreational rides. The responsiveness of the motor is commendable, providing a smooth acceleration with minimal lag. This performance is enriched by the bike's 3 working modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal bike mode. The flexibility to switch between modes means you can conserve battery life or get a good workout, depending on your needs. Battery life on the MOONCOOL is also quite impressive, thanks to its high-capacity 48V12.5Ah lithium battery. The manufacturer claims a range of up to 40 miles per charge, and in practical terms, this holds up well. Real-world usage suggests that with moderate pedal assistance, it is feasible to cover 30 to 35 miles before recharging becomes necessary. The battery is removable, which is a significant advantage for those who might want to charge it indoors or at work. It also locks securely onto the bike, alleviating concerns about theft. The 7-speed transmission system adds another layer of versatility, allowing riders to tackle varied terrains with confidence. Whether you're navigating through city streets, tackling steep hills, or cruising along paved pathways, the gearing system makes it easy to find a comfortable cadence. Shifting gears is smooth and intuitive, enhancing the overall riding experience. The MOONCOOL electric bike doesn't skimp on comfort either. The wide, cushioned seat and ergonomic handlebar design contribute to a relaxed riding posture. Additionally, the front suspension forks absorb shocks effectively, making off-road rides much more enjoyable. The bike is equipped with a bright LED headlight and taillight, which is a great safety feature for nighttime riding, ensuring you're visible to others on the road. In terms of aesthetics, the MOONCOOL strikes a modern and sleek look, available in several colors that cater to varied personal preferences. The attention to design detail is evident, from the clean lines of the frame to the neatly integrated wiring. This bike doesn't just perform well, it looks good doing it. However, like any product, the MOONCOOL electric bike has its drawbacks. One potential issue is the assembly process. New riders may find the initial setup somewhat challenging and might need assistance or a professional assembly to get everything just right. Additionally, while the battery range is substantial, riding at maximum speed will quickly deplete the battery, so users must be mindful of their riding habits if they want to optimize range. Another aspect that could use improvement is the weight distribution. Although the bike is manageable, it may feel a bit heavy for those not used to riding electric bikes, especially at slow speeds or when maneuvering in tight spaces. Despite these minor concerns, the MOONCOOL electric bike for adults stands out for its performance, versatility, and comfort. It is a practical choice for anyone looking to embrace the benefits of electric cycling, whether for commuting, exercise, or leisurely rides. The combination of a powerful motor, good battery life, and comfortable riding